Hello, odd job doer. And a while back I did a post on the new Nokia 9 Pureview. All right, looks like this. Has all those cameras and stuff in it, lenses and whatnot. And yeah. So here it is now. It's a few months, weeks. I don't know, it's not a year, I don't think. And man, guess what? I just showed it to you there. I got a phone cover for it. You see it? It's a little hard to see, but you know what? It's the one made. I didn't know who made it, but I ordered it just because I needed something, and there wasn't a whole lot out there, and I didn't want anything too chintzy. I think it was $20 though. But and it came, and I was like, oh, look at that! It's made by Nokia for the 9 Pureview premium clear case. Now, would I like to have it in a color? Sure, but this thing here is nice. One thing about it is that it doesn't really slide as much as it used to. So it doesn't slip out of the pocket so much. It doesn't slide when you put it on its back. Even the front, you can put on its front now because there's a little bit of protection with this case. I don't know if it's called bezel, but has a little edge to it, right? And yeah, so Nokia, good job on this thing. You should be able to make a case for your phone after all. Now, other things with it, I found out there's a button on the side here. You push it, it brings out sleep mode. You swipe to open it. Like most phones, you got things there. You can put contacts on it. You can, you have your camera. You have Google. You can slide over and do like other pages there. Basically, what a cell phone's all about. You can do that stuff with a lot of phones now. What I didn't know how to do though, at the first, was you can. This little thing up here, you drag it down with your finger, and it brings you your connections. You grab on this, you bring it down more, it brings you more connections and functions. And of course, there's a couple dots you can slide over. Slide. There we go. Your location, try your GPS. Swipe up, get rid of that. And then, what else do we got with this thing? It's Friday, May 10th. You can change different wallpapers. You can put your finger on it. Comes up with that there. So you can do your widgets, your home settings, wallpapers. You can pick a few different wallpapers. Or you can probably add your own. I don't really care too much. And then so there's this button down here. Not a button, but it's a little oval. Just tap that and it gets you back to your home screen there, or back to the base. You got your Google from here. You can talk to. You got your other stuff, Gmails, whatever. Oh, so you can pull up from the bottom too. You hold here, pull up. Oh, sorry Google, go away. You can push that and hold it, and it comes up with your Google voice activated stuff. Otherwise you push and slide, and it brings up all your different apps and whatnot you can do. Or different settings you can change. Tap to go away. And then if you just kind of bring this up halfway, it brings up what you've been doing. So like, internet there, phone calls, camera thing, and all that stuff. I don't know if it's really running in the background or not, or if it's just there to, show you what's up. But, you bring it up, you can hit internet, boom, you're back on the internet. Tap your little gray button, boom, you're off the internet. You don't want it, bring it up, slide over here, clear all, get rid of all that junk. So, yeah, this is pretty nice. And then picture-wise, let's just take a little look here. Let's see, here's a picture of an island. Right, I didn't take that, but take it off of a screen. But what else we got here? Yeah, pictures. No. Okay, so you open them up, and what do we got here? We got some flowers, right? Some flowers there. Here's a picture of a garden. I don't know if you can see it. Now, about pictures, here's a bee. You can spread to zoom in, or you can tap, double tap, right? Picture of a bee. Look at that. See how close that is? Of course, this probably doesn't do it justice because, it's a camera on the phone versus a camera that I'm filming with. But oh, nice butterfly. They're everywhere right now. And yeah, so from what I found doing pictures, you know, they talk about a pause for it to what, I guess kind of like develop type of thing. And you know, you got this here, you turn sideways. If you have the rotation on, it goes like that. There's a sunset. Yeah, the colors are much different than what I see on the camera I'm filming with. But you know what? I don't care about that. I don't have to, you know, take a picture and be like, oh, post it. I just take a picture and you know, save it. So here we go. We got a little snake here. This here, in case you have never seen a Sidewinder before, is this. Right? I thought the Diamondback. Yeah. Snake. So I think the picture quality is good. Real good. And let's see. Low lighting. That's another thing I did. Let me find one here. Hope this isn't boring you, showing my family photos and all. But this one here. This photo I took over the edge of a computer case just so I can remember where to put said pin back in position. And when it first showed up on the screen after I took it, it was all bright and white because the flash went off and, you know, basically kind of blinded it. But as it processed itself, boom, he came up with a nice close-up photo of this here computer motherboard. Right? Can you see that? Yeah. So, you know what? The camera, I'm pretty pleased with so far. And that reminds me, when you go into camera mode, let me see here, I'll close out here, hit camera mode, let it load up. You can, you know, you can do a zoom. You can tap that, do 2 times, tap it again, it goes to 5 times. Tap it again, it goes back to 1, or you can do the you know, the new classic thing, this. I don't really care for that. I hate that, in fact. What I liked from the Nokia 808 that I had before was you actually use the volume keys up and down to zoom in and out. And maybe you can change this around to do that. I don't know. But one thing I do know is instead of pushing this here to take a picture, like so, you can push this volume key. And apparently, either way, up or down, and it'll take a picture. So you can still, you know, hold it like this and blink. Alright, and I got 10 pictures of that thing. So the camera I think's good. I haven't done the headphone jack from the C port down here yet. I probably won't because I don't do that. I either play it loud and proud, or I don't play it at all. And really, people, I don't know, some people maybe like the wired headphones, but I think this is built up so you can just use your Bluetooth headphones on it. So once again, hit this little grid button to get out of here, or you can hit the back arrow and you know, pull up, swipe over, clear it all, boom, you're back to action. So yeah, I'm very happy with this phone. It connects to Energis 5, and it goes to the 5 band on your router if you have a 5 gigahertz, or it does 2.5, I think, or 2.4. 2.4, one of those. Who cares about the slower speed though? And although I think the slower speed does have more range than the 5, but at least in my house. And you know, you can switch on your mobile internet if you have that kind of plan. And so it's working out real good. So, oh, that's another thing. If your home screen here, you can flip over and it get over it, and it gives you like a little news feed thing going on. And yeah, so if you have any more questions or comments, or you know, issues with your Nokia 9 Pureview, leave them below, and I'll see what I can figure out about them. All right, odd job doer, and thanks for watching.